Hello guys, today I am going to explain how a real-time project is going to be in industries. For example, if you consider any company, startup companies or any MNC company, how they are going to maintain like data analytics projects, okay? Right from the starting to until deployment, I am going to explain. So with the real-time example, like cooking the chicken, okay? Let's see how it is going to be. So for example, just a while ago, I went to the chicken shop, chicken outlet, where I bought the chicken, okay, natukodi chicken we are going to call it, okay. I just bought it from the chicken outlet. Now while cooking the chicken, I am going to explain how starting from the project to until deployment, how it is going to be. Let's see. So before getting the data from the different sources, like getting the chicken or cleaning the chicken, like cleaning the data, you have to understand problem statement, okay. Why are we creating why are we doing these projects? You have to understand the problem statement. If you don't understand the problem statement, so you are not going to provide the great insights. So like that, for example, here, why are we cooking the chicken? So is that for our friends, is that for our family members, is that for we are cooking for hotels? So you need to understand, for example, in data analytics, so what is the business problem, whether it is the sales problem, whether it is the profit problem, whether it is the customer problem, you have to understand first, okay. So for example, why sales has been dropped last month? So might be, unless you cook, unless you build dashboard, you're not going to provide insights, right? So let's go and see. We are going to I'm going to explain further information how it is going to be. Let's see. Okay, so as of now, what we have done, we get the chicken from the outlet. So getting chicken from the outlet is like collecting the data. Okay, so collecting data is like, so we have multiple chicken outlets, right, on roadsides, like that. So same like that. So we are getting different data sources from the different sites. For example, website, APIs, or databases. So from different sources, we are going to access all the datas, okay. So this is how people are going to get the data from the different sources. So after getting the chicken, after getting the data from the respective sources, from the respective outlets, chicken outlets, so what we are going to do, we are going to clean the data, clean the chicken. So as of now, we have seen, right, we have cleaned the chicken, like cleaning the data. So what we are going to do next, let's see, come and see. Guys, now I'm trying to clean the chicken, okay, after getting the chicken from the chicken outlet. So what I'm going to do, now I'm trying to clean the chicken, like cleaning the data, okay. So before making the dashboards, what we have to do, we have to clean the chicken. So like cleaning the data. Now I'm going to talk about data transformation, okay. So after cleaning the data, what you have to do, you have to do the some transformations like creating the new columns, or else or removing duplicate values, like that, okay. So let's see. Here you can see I just cutted the onions and chilies, and this is like we are going to call it in Telugu kothimira, okay. So we have separated all the ingredients, okay, and as well as if you see, here is the chicken, we have cut it into small pieces, right. So like that, you have to create, like that you have to create new columns, or conditional columns, or transformations, like last name, first name, like different adding new columns, like creating the measures, like you have to do the some transformations, okay. Hope you understand, guys. Let's see what is going to be the next. Now see, guys, cooking the chicken is like analyzing the data, okay. Now I'm cooking the chicken. So like while cooking the chicken, if I, what I'm going to do, just see, just wait. So let me take, okay. So let me taste it. So actually, which is very like very hot, okay. Let me do one thing. Oh, this taste is very awesome, it's yummy. So but little bit salt which is required, okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, okay. Let me add. like adding the salt, like cooking the chicken, like analyzing the data. Okay, so while cooking the chicken, like analyzing the data. So what does it mean by analysis? So for example, analysis means you are going to provide insights. So why that product has been that product sales has been decreased. Okay, you are going to provide insights in the particular region. Okay, in which region that product has been decreased sales, you're going to provide that much of insights. Okay, okay, for example, in north region, that particular you can take it any product, that product significantly dropped sales. Okay, you are going to provide, okay, this in this north region the product has been decreased sales. You are going to provide insights to the your business stakeholder. Okay, so here is the insights means taste of the food, taste of the chicken. Okay, so now I have added a little bit of a pinch of salt to the that chicken, natukodi chicken. Now what happened, the taste is very yummy, spicy and good. So like that you are going to tell the insights to the stakeholder. Okay, why that product has been dropped sales in the particular north region, you are going to provide, okay, this product has been significantly dropped the sales. For example, you can consider any electronic gadgets. Okay, this particular gadgets significantly sales has been dropped, you are going to provide those insights. Okay, the next one is data visualization. Let's come, I will tell you what does it mean, what is going to be the data visualization. Like now I'm going to talk about data visualization. Okay, so what does it mean by data visualization? Data visualization means, like we are cooking chicken, right? So let me show you. So this is a chicken, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this chicken into this particular plate. Okay, so let me keep it near to this stove. So what I'm going to do, let me keep it this chicken into the plate. Okay, so that we can eat. Just wait guys. Okay, I'm keeping the chicken into the plate, right? So that what you have to do, you have to, okay, you have to select the particular charts which is required for your data. Okay, so I'm keeping the chicken into the plate, okay, in the appropriate order, like in the keeping a side. So if you keep that pieces in the is a messy order, so people won't eat, right? For example, good taste place and bad presentation, people won't eat, and good data place and bad charts also people won't understand. Okay, so that's why whenever you are trying to build a dashboard, a data visualization on Power BI, on top of Power BI, or I mean Tableau, what you have to do, just try to select the appropriate charts as per your business problem, as per your data. Okay, you need to aware, okay, in this particular situation, in this particular problem statement. Okay, for example, time duration you can consider. Okay, in that case you have to use line chart, so that you need to understand in which situation, in which circumstances, in which chart should I select. Okay, so this is about data visualization. And the next one, let me tell you, just wait for a while, I will be back. So now I am going to talk about the deployment, guys. So deployment means, what does it mean by deployment? So simple, guys. So for example, we have cooked the chicken, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to serve the chicken to the multiple people, like my friends, like my colleagues, okay, like my family members, you can consider anybody. So after serving that chicken, what they are going to do, okay, they are going to eat, they are going to consume the chicken. So after consuming, they are going to provide the feedback. If they like the taste, what they are going to do, they come again, right? Like that in data also, after publishing the dashboard, so the manager is going to use the dashboard. So before using the dashboard into their businesses, they are going to schedule the dashboard daily based on the based on the business requirements. Okay, so they are going to schedule that particular report. Yeah, whatever the dashboard you have deployed, they are going to use that particular dashboard to take the decisions. On top of that dashboard, they are going to take the their business decisions. Okay, so this is about deployment, guys. The final section is maintenance, guys. So after deployment, you are not yet, your work has been done. Okay, so this is the last stage, which is maintenance. So maintenance means, for example, I want to cook the chicken again in the future after a couple of days. So I can cook the chicken and I can change the recipe, I can make the taste enhancement, right, like that. So whenever data is going to come in your projects, what is going to happen, you need to update the data, you need to fix the issues, and you need to enhance, improve the dashboard. Okay, this is a continuous process, guys. It's like a continuous process. Analytics is the continuous process. This is the maintenance, last one. Okay, so hope this video helps to you guys. So if you want more complex topics with the real-time example like this, just comment down what topics you want in the comment section, and make sure to like the video and follow the YouTube channel. And I wish you a very happy new year to all of you. Don't give up if you are trying for the job. So don't lose the hope, confident, and definitely your dream job is waiting for you in 2026. Definitely you are going to get your job, and we will meet in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and bye bye.